Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am going to review the Face Shop Real Nature Calendula Sheet Mask. Now I have bought two of these, so I will be reviewing it on two different days. You must be wondering that why I am doing a third video on the Face Shop masks other than other masks, right? And it's because GOT7 are its brand ambassadors and Jackson. So let's start with a review. This calendula sheet mask comes in a plastic pouch with calendula and grey wood aesthetics on it. It claims that offers moisture to skin to create radiant skin. It has English and French instructions mentioned on the packaging, which is very helpful for us international customers. It includes calendula flower extract that makes skin plump and supple. It also includes macadamia oil, glycerin, and grapefruit extracts that help in brightening and moisturizing the skin. Its expiry date is engraved on the bottom. So let's look at my skin's condition before using the mask. My skin is very dry and I have enlarged pores. Overall, I think I have quite dull complexion. It requires little strength to open it. It comes folded and drenched in serum inside the pouch. This cotton sheet mask has very strong floral scent that I am not liking it. It includes alcohol along with fragrance, both of which are skin irritants, and sensitive skin people should bear this in mind. The fragrance is so strong that it is making me cough. Its adhesive power is really good as it doesn't move at all once I set it in place or on my face. There is a lot of serum left in the pouch which can be used to moisturize other parts of the body. It is milky white in color and it's quite liquidy in consistency, just like Laneige Skin Refiner. It's thicker than water and feels quite lightweight on skin. Now I will see you guys after a short nap. Bye! After 35 minutes, I can say that the adhesive power of this mask is really good as I moved a lot but it did not budge. My skin feels really cold, moisturized, and there is no stickiness on my face. There is almost no essence left in the mask. The mask felt really cooling and calming on my face. Although it has fragrance in it, but it did not irritate my skin. There isn't much of a difference between before and after photos, but my skin is definitely smoother and moisturized than before. My skin remained soft for the next 2 days after using this mask. The only thing that I did not like is that this mask is not enough moisturizing for dry skin like mine. Now, this is me after 6 days of using this mask and before trying the same sheet mask again. My dull and dry skin is still the problem I am looking a solution for. The mask feels really cooling to the skin just like it felt on the first try. I am applying excess serum on my arms and neck. See you in a while. So, after 30 minutes, the mask has completely dried on my face and it is even coming off in certain areas as you can see. Unfortunately, I have got some prominent marks on my cheeks and forehead where the mask had a little fold and it literally didn't went for hours. So be careful with the folds on your masks. Other than that, my skin feels really smooth, soft and hydrated after the mask. My pores look less prominent too. This mask has really calmed my skin with its cooling effect. It's a great summer mask, I must say, and it is for everyone minus the very sensitive skin types. I will rate it 4/5 as it does what it claims, even though the results are temporary, but it's good. And even its effect remains for 2 days. So yeah, that's all. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.